So let us look at HTML tables in this video. So tables are very commonly used in websites. A common example of table is shopping cart that is used in e-commerce websites. So let us see how we can create a table. So for table, the tag is table tag. Table. Okay. Now we will add one row to the table by using the tr tag, which should be inside the table tag like this. So this will be first row. You can add as many rows as you wish. I'm adding one more row. Okay, so I've added 2 rows. Now let us add table header, that is to signify what data the table holds. Let me show you an example. For example, say roll number. Say marks in subject 1. Subject 2. You can give any heading you wish to, and say total marks. Okay, so this will be your first row, which is the header, and you can see roll number, subject 1, subject 2, total marks. Okay, now let us add some data to this. So I will use the td tag. So first column is roll number, so I will add say roll number 1. Then I will add marks in subject 1, say 35, and marks in subject 2, say 30, and total. Okay, and the second row will be added below. Now in this table the borders are missing, so we can add a border to the table by using the border attribute. Border is equal to 1, where 1 is the width of the border. You can increase the width and see what happens. The border will become wider, a bit thicker. Okay, so this is our table. You can keep adding as many rows as you wish. Let us add one more row, and let us add some data to it. Say roll number 2. And total marks will be 80, and another row will be added. So this is how we create tables in HTML.